Hi, thanks for joining me on Chocolate Pickney. If you're new here, a big hearty welcome to you, and if you're not new, welcome back. I hope you like what you see. Today I am going to be doing Michaela's hair. I did some Bantu knots and I left the two at the front hanging. This was not supposed to be recorded, but while I was doing her hair, she asked, "Mommy, could you please record me?" So I guess she wants to be on YouTube as well. So I started recording her this video halfway into combing her hair because she asked for it. So this is my darling Michaela. I'll be doing about 11 chunky Bantu knots in her hair, and this should last her a week. So as you can see, I have sectioned the hair into big juicy parts, and I am pre-twisting them before I move on to the Bantu knots. Michaela has 4C hair. It is very thick, however it is manageable. So as you can see, I am sectioning the hair into big chunks and I'm twisting them prior to doing the Bantu knots. Now that I'm done twisting all of them, I'm just gonna start winding them tightly, starting at the root, and then I'm gonna wrap the entire hair around the root, and I'm gonna secure it with a rubber band. Please, if you're doing this to your child's hair, do not do it tightly because that can cause a headache, and it also can cause them to lose their hairline. So what I'm doing is just twisting them right around, starting at the root, right around to the edge. And I'll continue until the entire head is completed. However, when I got to the top, I decided I wasn't going to do the ones at the front. I'm just gonna add a little glitter, a little pizzazz as usual, and a little oomph. So I decided to add the rubber bands to the root of these twists, undo them, section them in two halves, and then do some individual twists on them because I'll be adding beads to the ends of them just to give her a little sparkle, little sparks in her hair. What I have here are some crystal beads that I'm gonna add to her twist, and they are not the smallest crystal bead, they're about medium size beads. And I also have some golden bow tie beads that I'll add to the end to add a little sparkle to her face, right? I'm also adding some hair accessory, the golden clip-ons that I just put to the root, and add some of them to the Bantu knots. And you know, as I said, add a little sparks to Michaela's hair. That's what I'm doing. So this is the end result. Michaela was pleased with her hairstyle because that's what she asked for. She said, "Mommy, I want my hair to look just like Phyllis. I want Bantu knots." So if you haven't seen Phyllis' hairstyle, I'm going to link it in the top here so you can take a look on that hairstyle. If you liked what I did here, please give it a thumbs up. If you did not like, leave a comment so I can know why you didn't like it. And please subscribe if you have not done so yet. Thanks for watching.